Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. I'm on my road to 300 subscribers. Make me reach 300. I'm not in a hurry. I'll still be in 1,000. Today I went to Walmart and I bought a tripod grip from Walmart as an accessory for taking videos using a camera or a phone. So welcome to unbox with me the piston grip tripod stand. You're welcome. I'm going to open the piston grip tripod. It has operation instructions. And the tripod grip. And the panel. This one is for placing the phone or the camera, and it has screws. This screws is placed on the piston grip, so it stretches. You can place your phone. Then if you want to use it as a piston, you hold it like this. So if you want to open the panel, you press here. There is the left side and the right side. You place and you pull it up. Then you can put the panel. You can put the panel without the camera or the phone. You're good to go. You can hold it as again or as a tripod. So you open the left side, the right side, depending on where you're standing. And there you go. When you're finished, this one is constant, doesn't move. That is the left side. Close it, and it becomes your gun. So it's simple to use. It's cheap. It's a good accessory for taking videos or pictures. Please keep on watching my videos. Subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm on my road to 300 subscribers. See you in my next video. Bye bye.